Hi, I am Amok Dikshit, a student of FITGI Indore's Pinnacle 2-year integrated program. I came to know about FITGI through a friend of mine who was enrolled in FITGI since class 9th. He used to tell me about the class environment here. We used to talk about it in school and it fascinated me really. Also, I had read about FITGI's IIT JEE results in the newspaper, and that told me that FITGI would be the right institute to join for my preparations of IIT. Also, the most exciting part about it was its school integrated program. I could combine my studies of 12th boards and IIT JEE all at the same time, and this gave me plenty of time in the evening for self-study, which is very crucial when you are preparing for something like JEE. The class environment in FITGI Indore Center was just brilliant. It induced a sense of healthy competition inside me, which is extremely necessary when you are preparing for a competitive exam like IIT JEE. The faculty also was amazing. They had the ability to make the fundamentals extremely clear. Emphasis was given on each and every concept related to the topics. Because of that, I felt I could do every question related to every topic. It really boosted my confidence in every chapter. The chapter practice problems which our teachers provided us really gave me a deep insight into the fundamentals interspersed in the chapter. It really helped me focus on what I was supposed to prepare for. The quizzes and face tests were held regularly, which helped me identify my weaknesses. And eliminating your weakness, closing all the loopholes is extremely necessary if you want to get a good score in IIT JEE. Doubt clearing sessions were held regularly in FITGI Indore classrooms. The concepts which I had not been able to grasp during the first time in the class were made clear by the teachers by putting all their efforts in those doubt clearing sessions. You see, if you are preparing for something like JEE, you cannot afford to have any weaknesses, and that is what the teachers emphasized on during those sessions. The teachers and the classroom environment in FITGI really boosted my confidence for all competitive exams, not just IIT JEE. I knew how I had to attempt the question paper, and I never had any anxiety while attempting it. This is illustrated by the fact that I went on to clear both stages of KVPY in class 12th, and after that I got a good rank in IIT JEE as well. This is all because of the confidence which I got from FITGI classrooms. The best thing about FITGI is its All India Test Series AITS. It gives you a thorough practice of all the topics which are bound to come up in IIT JEE, and also on a regular basis you get a habit of giving the question paper, giving the exam. The FITGI study material like the GMP, RTPF was also outstanding. During the last few days of our preparation, a study material like GMP and RTPF helped me to a great extent. It provided me with a wide variety of problems related to each and every topic. And during those last days when you are preparing, a material like this is surely a boon for a student. FITGI study material is amazing. When you are preparing for something like IIT JEE, I personally recommend solving FITGI's packages. All the concepts, facts and topics and problems provided in it are of JEE level. They really clear all your concepts and provide you with problems concerning every topic. And JEE, it is all about having your concepts clear and having a thorough practice in all topics. FITGI's material provides just that. So FITGI's material was really amazing for my preparation in JEE. I recommend FITGI to all the students who are preparing for competitive exams, any of them, be it NTSE, JSO, KVPY or IIT JEE. For something like NTSE or JSO, joining FITGI in class 8th would be the right time. 2-3 years of preparation and you are bound to perform good in that. And for IIT JEE, the most prestigious exam of all, I suggest join FITGI in class 10th or 11th. Stay here for 2-3 years, and I tell you, you will notice a remarkable change in yourself. If you study hard enough, follow your teacher's advice here at FITGI. There is nothing that can stop you from cracking JEE. FITGI has played a very important role in my success at IIT JEE. Needless to say, my approach towards studies changed completely after I joined FITGI. The faculty, be it the study material, everything. It really helped me in my preparation for that. I am extremely grateful to FIITJEE for that, and I can say without FIITJEE none of this would have been possible.